If convicted, he could face a sentence of life in prison. Joining me right now to talk about what today and really also Monday will mean is Kelly Hyman. She's a trial attorney. For the defense, what are the kinds of things that you would think they're looking for, or the kind of qualities that they might be looking for in the jurors that they will be using these strikes on, do you think?
So each side wants someone that's going to help support their case. So when we look at it from the defense perspective, what is their defense? Their defense is this is his private life. He had a lifestyle and that it was consensual. From the prosecution standpoint of who they want, they would want someone with a more traditional lifestyle that has the same type of job, that has been with the same kind of partner for 35 years. But it's also important to remember that they need jurors that are fair and impartial, because that is really key. He is innocent in a court of law until proven guilty. And so someone can't go into the courtroom and already made up their mind and say, yes, he is guilty, or yes, he's not guilty. They need to be fair and impartial. If someone's already made up their mind and can't listen to the facts and the evidence, then they can be excused. Now, also, the plaintiff's counsel and defense counsel can strike someone. They have strikes that they could do, so they could potentially do that today. We have to think about the fact that Nikki Haley beat him when it came to moderates in New Hampshire. She beat him when it came to independents in New Hampshire. And as you know, the state has the burden, and they have to prove each element of the crime. The state was very, very smart in bringing out all his bad acts in the beginning. I mean, the good, the bad, and the ugly. We have to remember that Michael Cohen has more baggage than they would sell at Walmart. I mean, he comes in with a whole truckload of stuff.
Knowledge is key, so it's really important. As we talked about earlier, the knowledge, if there's some kind of issue with the child, that is, when he goes to a different school, that knowledge is passed on to the other school.
Look at from a legal standpoint of what is extortion. It's the fact where you are forcing someone to do something, to threaten them.
Right.
According to the police officers, they're being paid $22 an hour, but in the community, other officers are paid $30 an hour. It'll be interesting to see what exactly the states ask for, and potentially they could ask for jail time. Well, when we look at this, we have to think when he was on the witness stand, he was very compelling, Michael Cohen. He answered yes or no questions and was direct and to the point. And he reached a point in his life that basically he said he made a decision to pick his family over Trump, which was a very compelling story. I mean, American people love a comeback story. Someone that, you know, did wrong that now is going to do something right. And on the cross-examination, the defense counsel came in very, very hot, very, very hostile. His first question out of the box was talking about defense counsel and how Michael Cohen portrayed him on TikTok. The judge pulled him over and said, "Why are you making this about yourself? Why aren't you making this about Cohen?"
How strong of a witness has this been?
She has been a powerful witness for the prosecution. She is the second most important witness for the prosecution. The first being Cassie Ventura, their star witness, who testified, Diddy's ex-girlfriend. But Jane Doe, she's going under a pseudonym to protect her identity, is also an ex-girlfriend of Diddy. And so she is asserting that she dated Diddy from 2021 through 2024, and that she had these hotel nights, as she calls it, that she helped arrange these escorts come out to these hotel nights. She engaged in this, and that she did not want to do it. And this goes to the heart of the sex trafficking charge.